So you want to understand what a wicked problem is. Well, to understand what a wicked problem is, you need to understand what a tame problem is. A tame problem has a solution. It has an answer. It's something that could be as simple as, what am I going to watch on TV tonight? What am I going to have for dinner? How long is it going to take me to get from point A to point B? I'm going to watch Shameless on TV tonight, or I'm going to have a burger for dinner tonight, or it's going to take me 20 minutes to get from point B to A, or A to B. It has a solution. It has an answer. But with wicked problems, they don't. And they are so hard to define because of their complexity and because of their contributing factors to create the wicked problem, that not only are they so hard to define, but they're also unsolvable because of the fact that they are so complex. They have so many underlying issues and so many contributing factors that create them. An example of a wicked problem would be obesity. So the base level of understanding of why someone would be obese is because they lack the control of portion sizes. But then when you start to think about it and realize that, oh no, that person's actually quite healthy, how are they still obese? There are so many contributing factors to obesity as a whole. Someone could have mental health issues, genetics, medical issues that affect their weight gain and how they look. So just because someone is obese doesn't mean that they lack control of their portion sizes. There's so many other contributing factors that create obesity. So someone, for example, with PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, they might take a pill or they might take medication that causes them to gain weight. And because wicked problems are so hard to solve, you wouldn't be able to solve obesity as a whole with the factor of medication to solve one issue with medication to solve someone who lacks control of their portion sizes, because there are two different problems that are needed with two different solutions. So just because you might find a solution, say the medication for PCOS, it could actually create underlying issues that are involving that. Like the person who takes the medication could actually be affected by mental health because of their weight gain or because of what's in the medication. So just because you might find a solution to a wicked problem, they actually might cause more wicked problems or more problems that affect the wicked problem. And we can't solve a wicked problem with the same simplistic thinking that we use to create it, because of the fact that there are so many underlying issues and contributing factors that create a wicked problem. Scientific chaos actually comes into play with wicked problems because scientific chaos is unpredictable. You can't predict what's going to happen. So if we use the example of obesity with the example of PCOS for someone who is gaining weight, who is taking a pill to help them with their PCOS, the scientific chaos won't predict that that person could suffer from mental health issues just because of the pill that they're taking to help their issues within their body. So scientific chaos is unpredictable. You won't be able to predict what's going to happen. You can definitely assume, but you won't be able to predict what's going to happen. In a sense, well, I guess it is the butterfly effect. So one thing can cause another thing that causes a bigger thing. And also, complex adaptive systems come into play with wicked problems because there are so many variables that then affect the wicked problem. So we'll take again obesity for an example. There's so many other factors that affect it. So again, it could be like mental health issues that are affecting it. It could be something as simple as the media that is affecting it. So you can't, with scientific chaos, you can't predict what's going to happen. And with complex adaptive system, there are so many factors that are going against it that help create the wicked problem. Wicked problems are extremely complex. They are super hard to understand and to grasp for knowledge because of their complexity, because they are so undefinable, because of their multiple characteristics that are involved with wicked problems. With a simple wicked problem, there are so many underlying factors that you can't just solve it. It's not going to be solved with a one-shot wonder, one solution fix all. It's not going to be able to do that because of the fact that there are so many other factors that contribute to the creation of a wicked problem. Thank you.